In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rotate a video inside of Premiere. I'll also show you how you can flip a video because perhaps you came for that instead. So first what I would do is I would go to Workspaces. You can get here by going to Window, Workspaces, and then just make sure you're in the editing workspace. And from here, we can edit and flip the video. Now you need to go to the Effect Controls tab. If you don't have this again, go Window and then go ahead and select the effects, and also you want Effect Controls. So now click on the video and it should then open up the Effect Controls. You might be on a different tab, so just find it. And then you'll see rotation. You can go ahead and slide this number up and down, and you can essentially rotate the video to whatever angle you want. You can get very specific with what angle you need. Obviously then you might have black bars, so we might have to increase the scale so it covers the whole dimensions of the clip, but we've essentially rotated the clip now. Now, if you came to this video and you didn't want that, you wanted to flip the video, then you need to come down to the project, click on the two lines here, and you need to go to effects. And here in this effects window, you can type in flip, and you've got horizontal or vertical flip. I'm going to put horizontal, and there you go. Everything's now flipped. That's how you do it. I hope that helped.